Okay, tubers, I know it's been a long time and I apologize. I have no excuses other than the fact that I am so busy. I just cannot do videos. But I get a lot of questions. We get emails on our website, email address, questions on videos and things to do. One of them's on how we propagate in our new propagation house. I'll try and get one of those up. I've had several on that propagation house. But anyway, this has something to do with that. These are the black microgreen trays. These are the slotted ones. You can see the little slots in the top. Some of those over there are the solid ones, but we go through so many of these a week that we have a day set up to clean them. This whole greenhouse we're emptying it out, and I'm doing a fall cleaning on it. Most everything is over in the other greenhouse, and I'll take you out there, show you that. Before I do that though, I wanted to tell you that, I don't know if you can still see it, we still have tomatoes and okra in there, and strawberries. Let's see if I can zoom in there, but there's weeds all over the floor. I got work to do in there, and we have greens still going in there. This is my walk-in cooler. I just finished putting sheetrock up in there, and that's the propagation house. I'll show you this real quick. Just a quick glance in here. All right, I just emptied out this side because I had to put sheetrock behind there. Got microgreens there, microgreens stacked. These are ones we just seeded, and there are our babies over there. Some of those are ready to go out into the greenhouse, which probably not perfect right now anyway. I got work to do in here as well. I'm getting rid of some big stuff, but there's a whole side full, and we're working back from that way. So anyway, lots changed, including me. Yeah, I've let it all go, folks. Anyway, God bless. We'll plant some dirt and fish water, some nutrient solution, whatever it takes to grow something. We'll see you next time. And again, I'm sorry. Toodles.